This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, sorry. So, Mayank Bajate is an architect by profession and has been practicing energy architecture and scientific Vastu for the past 25 years. With a professional background in architecture, human energetics, and environment, and a very strong interest in design consult. So, he in quantum physics. Mayank is a design consultant based in Pune, specializing in contemporary Indian architecture. So he has been instrumental in getting the H3 gold antenna to India and was the first Indian to get a teaching certificate on radiesthesia and geobiology from Germany. He has the honor of having worked very closely with architect B.V. Doshi sir. He is also a faculty for design and development at the School of Science and Design Innovation at New Earth University. Since 1998, Vastu World, under the flagship of Mayank, has been offering consultancy and rectification solutions to clients across the globe. He strongly believes in providing personalized Vastu rectification solutions without breaking a single brick, and also the use of vibrational medicine. So, as you know, innovation and evolution is the key to any successful establishment. And I'm sure all the students and associates who have been closely associated with Mayank sir know that better and can vouch. So, be it an in-depth study of Bhaktambar or taking it to the next level with the amalgamation of Kabbalah science and sacred geometry, building systems, wherein about building disease-free homes based on the principle of building back. So as we evolve, so there have been a lot of innovative things which our company has been involved in, and again there has been innovations on our remedy side also with the introduction of health vitalizers. And one of the most beneficial and not to forget aesthetically beautiful remedy has been the bioinfinity symbol and the earth cosmic loop. And of course, last but not the least, obviously not doing away with his passion for teaching or not deviating from that. That's when we launched our new website, the learning website, which is vastuworldlearning.com, which has a wide range of courses to offer. So they could be from basic to intermediate to advanced level of Vastu, or they for all people from all walks of life or all professions, be it a builder, an architect, a Vastu enthusiast, a Vastu consultant. So, and we also offer a lot of specialized courses. It could be Bhaktambar Advanced Research, Jain Vastu, psychodynamic dowsing, electromagnetic radiation, dirty electricity, cymatics. So it's basically it covers a gamut of courses of interest to various people from all professions, and of course the story doesn't end here. Obviously, you need to wait and watch where we are again going to get in new things which are still on the top or which are on the table yet to launch. So without taking much of your time, let me hand over the session to Mayank sir. Mayank sir.
Yes, Vishali.
Good evening, sir.
Namaste, and welcome you all. Thanks, Vishali, for giving a small talk and giving some time to organize myself. I just came from a site visit and I got delayed a bit, but I'm really happy to see all of you again. Once again, few people, new people are there. where we will be talking to and trying to connect to. And I'm happy to see Manisha ji from Bombay and from Frank. And I'm also very happy to see Hemant Shah traveling in his car or in his vehicle and still attending. So this is good. We have a good group of people here, and from Albert to Shalu to Dinesh ji, and Alpesh is always there in from Pune. So great. Today we'll be talking specifically on certain subject, on a specific subject. I'm not going to be deviating. Kapoor Saab, how is your health? I'm happy to see you with Trisha, and
Thank
we are all fortunate to have you today on this gathering. So Kapoor Saab has been suffering from COVID and different ailments, and he's one of the oldest member of Vastu World community and most respected. I am really happy to see you, Kapoor sir.
Thank you, sir.
Anyways,
Thank you.
yes, welcome, sir. So now let's get going to the main topic, which Rushali has already told you that we'll be only talking about S3 Gold antenna today, and because we have certain international participants, so I'll be speaking in English. But if some people are finding it difficult to understand the language and you want me to speak in Hindi or different language except Hindi, Brushali can translate in Marathi if possible. But otherwise, I am wonderful in always good in Hindi and English. So yeah. So today, why we have kept this workshop or a webinar or a communication or talk between you and me is because I have been finding a lot of people, a lot of us who have been practicing Vastu and energies and human energetics and communication are not using this S3 antenna, irrespective this wonderful device is with you. So I'm really sad. I'm really sad for people who have such an opportunity. This is not easy to get, It took me 12 years to reach this. I was using ACMOS antenna, ACMOS Laker antenna, which is still with me, which is one of my basics, the old from Dr. N.N. Akashian. I learned this from my heart. I practiced it for almost 15 years. But ACMOS was by doctor who was taking care of the body, taking care of a physical aspect or energetical aspect of the human body. Now try to understand one thing. S3 Gold antenna or any other antenna, ACMOS or Indian made local things, they are all working on particular frequencies which have been tuned into it. Now this tuning of antenna initially with ACMOS was for the bioenergetic. What is bioenergy? Bioenergy is your body, how your body behaves in an environment and without an environment also, with each other or organically inside you. So ACMOS antenna is wonderful device, still a wonderful device for proficiency of the body. That means bioenergetics, how to take care of chakras inside the body, blockages inside the body, centrifugal, the energy reserves. There are so many things which I have learned from Dr. N.N. Akashian, an amazing person, an amazing teacher. But being an architect, I found something missing. I found something missing in Dr. N.A.'s research in environment, specifically geopathy and geobiology. ACMOS Laker antenna is an amazing device, still I use it. But S3 Gold antenna is for Vastu practitioner and architects. Specifically why? Because it handles geobiology and geopathy and the environmental aggression. And along with that, it handles the basic of human body as well. So S3 Gold antenna is combination of old Laker antenna, which is ACMOS, and the protocols of geobiology, which was discovered somewhere after Second World War, somewhere after 1945 when Second World War got over, by engineer Anton Snyder. So Anton Snyder actually is a geobiologist who actually discovered the Laker wire, which is L wire, two L wires joined together. Instead of using a dowsing rod, he used it like this. Okay, and then he used this after Second World War to find the problems coming from the earth because of so much of death, and everywhere in Germany people were getting buried. And then after Second World War, when they wanted to make homes, they were digging the earth and they were finding bodies. So they, Anton Snyder and his team of people who were bioenergeticians or an architect or healers, specifically scientists who can feel the earth. So there is a subject called resisthesia. So they were actually energetic people who can connect with different energies and follow the principle of resonance. Anyways, so this is the basis of S3 Gold Lake antenna, and it took me 12 years to convince my teacher, who is the student of Anton Snyder, Mr. Ludeling. Hartmann Ludeling only wanted to speak in German. He wanted me to learn German and then come to him and learn S3 Gold antenna. I tried my level best, I couldn't learn German. It was so difficult for me, and then the technical words which he was speaking. So it took me 12 years to convince him that please start telling me in English. Then I took one of my friend, and he's again a teacher of building biology. I learned from him, Wolfgang Briggen. He has visited India several times, and then he translated a lot of things. It took me 1 year, 2 years, almost 12 years to gather the information and then translate into English. And then since last more than 10 years, I am using this, and I have been trying to tell you and tell all my students, friends, researchers to use this device because this is something extraordinary. Okay, so this is the basic introduction of how I transformed myself from ECMOS to S3, and why I reached ECMOS, because I was always an intuitive person, and being an architect, I wanted to measure the energies of spaces which was not taught in architecture colleges. So then it took me to Germany, and I learned building biology, and then I learned bioenergetics, and then I went to a different part of Germany and learned resisthesia. So it took me a lot of time, but you are all lucky that today I am sitting in front of you, I'm telling you things, and you don't have to travel here and there and worry about languages and visas and different financial issues. And in fact, if you are a vegetarian, people like me had to eat only cakes and salads and sometimes olives in France, because vegetarian was so difficult those days to eat. But anyways, so we have Quintin also with us now from Sri Lanka, and welcome Quintin. Anyways, so we are fortunate to have S3 Gold Lake antenna with us now. And why I'm telling you this is because this is one of the most friendliest, most easy system to work upon. Rushali, can you give me the screen share so I can show them some slides? Yeah. So I would request, and I would like everybody who has S3 Gold antenna to take out their antennas. Take their antennas out and at least show it to me. Most of you have the antenna with you.
Sir, I've shared it with you.
Sure. Okay. So let's see the antennas, and let's try to understand how do we actually hold it. What exactly is the process to hold the antenna? Antenna has two important components. Now today I'm going to be talking and giving you the brief of antenna, because we have a lot of new people, and I want you to understand why antenna. First of all, the question is, yes, I can see Trisha's antenna. I am really happy, Trisha, you are using it. And there are different people, Albert has taken out his antenna. So Quintin has an antenna, I suppose, and Umang is from Delhi. I think is Delhi is very cold these days. Archana, good to see you, Archana. So a lot of people who have their antennas have been using antenna very proficiently, including Parthik sorry, I didn't get your surname. So Parthik or Pratik, sorry. Pratik has his antenna with him. Shwetan, good to see you. People, Quintin is using his antenna. Albert has his antenna. So now, how do we hold the antenna? See, there are two specific processes to hold the antenna. One is this, where we use these two fingers. Can you see me? These two fingers and hold the antenna like this. Now, holding antenna itself, I'll go a bit behind and show it to you in a proper way. Holding antenna itself makes you come to a position of, you know, the perfect bliss. So this is the perfect bliss. So holding antenna itself is very important. If you don't work with it, it's secondary. Primary is hold it properly. And we every morning hold our hand and pray. In any language, in any country, anytime, we either pray this way or pray this way. Whatever we pray as, we hold our hand in this position, which is centrally aligned. And this central alignment, we call it Kaya Madhya Sutram. That means we are trying to create a central axis of the body. As soon as you hold the antenna, you come into the central axis of the body. Either you hold it like this or you hold it like this. In both the center area, you are centering the body. So first and foremost thing, I have seen people using antenna like this, like this, like this. Hold it in front of you, straight, direct alignment with your center of your eye should be having the antenna first. And as soon as you get the antenna in front of you, you are now aligning and you are getting tuned to it. Okay, either you use it like this or this, doesn't matter. Both are the same process. It depends upon your comfortability. But otherwise, holding antenna in the center is the best way to hold it. Are you getting me? Okay, so then we have a different position, different frequencies of antenna. Okay, so first and foremost is how to hold the antenna, and when you hold the antenna right, you are actually connecting yourself, centralizing yourself, centering yourself. Okay, so this is the first and foremost thing which all of you have to remember. I am going to be today talking to you more. So if you have any questions, if you are finding certain things not understanding properly, you can speak, we can communicate, but one by one you can open up your mic and then speak and then shut it off if you require, because a lot of time everybody is speaking and I cannot then speak and there is a background noise. So it's a dialogue, it's a communication where I want to solve all your queries of basic understanding of S3 Goldacre antenna, because without this you cannot do anything. It is like doctor without a stethoscope, or a vet who doesn't understand how to read the nadi. Are you getting me? So you are a Vastu expert or environmental expert or a healer. You need to have a support of some instruments which amplifies your energies, which amplifies your instinct, which amplifies your ability to understand. One thing we all need to know is that we all have ability to understand. We are all wonderful people who have brain and who can absorb things. Okay, so as soon as you start gathering information, this information creates different and comes from different medium and then reaches you. And sometimes when it reaches you, it doesn't connect to the head and you don't interpret it right. Okay, so when interpretation is wrong, you need to focus. All these tools, including pendulum, including antenna, are focusing devices. They are helping you to focus. As soon as you hold it in the center and focus and align, you start communicating with the antenna's domain. Now, another very important thing which all of you need to understand, again, it's the basic. I'm not talking any physics right now. It is everybody has an aura. We all have an aura around us. Okay, so our auric body, our aura has a limitation. As soon as I hold antenna in my hand and center myself, my aura increases, my auric body increases. Now, as soon as I hold the antenna and put the cursor on just basic 6.4 CU, I'll tell you what is C and what is U later on for new people. And as soon as I put 6.4 CU and hold it like this, I have started communicating more than my normal range. So what is the normal range of communication? Normally 1 meter. We can only communicate, or our auric body is communicating with the external information. It can be human, it can be animal, it can be plant, or it can be an object in human. And we start resonating with those frequencies which are only 1 meter in our domain, without listening, without speaking. Okay, it is vibration, it is feeling. So till 1 meter we actually communicate. As soon as you hold your antenna, you increase it, and it increases from more than 1 meter. And this increase in vibration 1 meter can be 2 meters, 3 meters, 5 meters, or more than that. It depends upon your ability. So I have also noticed since last 10 years of using S3 Gold antenna that as soon as I hold antenna without putting any information or cursor or communication with any object, I hold and I start getting answers. People like Archana, Alpesh, people who are using Umang, who have been using this antenna for long, must have also felt it. Trisha, you must have also felt this, that as soon as you hold the antenna, things start changing. You become different. No? And when you become different and when you start gathering information without actually setting up the frequencies, that means what? You have enhanced your abilities. So first and foremost thing, that's why I tell everybody should have this antenna who are practicing architecture, vastu, geopathy or healer. They should at least hold it. Just hold it and things will move ahead. Don't get afraid. People say, it has 26,000 frequencies. It is resistia. I don't know. It doesn't work with me. X, Y, Z. You're all afraid. एक बार उसको हाथ में पकड़िए, and as soon as you hold it, things start changing. The life will transform. I got this antenna from Dr. Renan Akashian in 1997. As soon as I got I got transformed. I was an architect and a very happy and good architect. I became something else. Architecture went away, but I'm really very happy that I left architecture and became an energy consultant. And as soon as this antenna got transformed into S3 Gold antenna, again life changed. So let it happen. Let it become part of you, and this is one of your best friends. This will never divorce you. This will never trouble you. This will never go away from you, because it is your extension. It is you. So S3 Gold antenna is you. And to you, how to use your own self is a very big question, because we seldom understand our own self. And if you use this antenna properly, you are going to get all the answers of the world, from human bioenergies to environmental aggression at cosmic global telluric level, and then under earth vibrations of geopathy and geobiology. Are you getting me? So S3 Gold antenna is such a wonderful device, and we are really happy. I am really happy to share this particular instrument to you, because the idea is that you yourself start communicating with this wonderful device, because most of you have this with you. No? And if you have this particular thing with you, what is the problem? Why don't we use it? Okay, so this is where I wanted you to just understand. It's an instrument of precision in resistia, and we try to understand the scientific findings. Scientific findings means something which is hidden, which is intangible, and most of the time these things are intangible because we actually block our abilities to sense. And when we block our abilities to sense, we are ultimately, what are we doing? We are not using ourselves 100%. We are using ourselves in a reduction. S3 Gold antenna is your extension, and you start using this particular thing in a very different way. And that is where the whole approach of S3 Gold antenna comes into picture. Now, a lot of people have come to me with either using ECMOS or using a duplicate ECMOS, which is found in India in different part of Chennai and Ahmedabad and Delhi. Okay, so let's not go into that aspect. But what is the difference? Again, we are not demeaning anything. We are not saying that ECMOS is very good and S3 is bad, or S3 is extra and ECMOS is. So it's an extension. This is a improvement of one energy to another energy. So S3 Gold antenna, ECMOS Gold antenna never have any switches. It works on single quality. Okay, so it works on a single platform of energetic communication, which Dr. Renan Akashian tune it while tuning this screws. So it's like when you tune a guitar, he used to tune it manually. Now problem is Dr. N. Rakashian now is very sick. He has Alzheimer and he is unable to talk and walk also. So S3 gold antenna, sorry, ECMOS gold antenna which you are getting now, I'm not sure it works in the same way it used to be with Dr. N. was actually active. Anyways, now S3 gold antenna has different switches. So this is different. This is having a different polarity, and this polarity switch is from the scale. Now, very important aspect which many people may not understand or may not have seen, S3 gold antenna is in two parts. This is a holding rod, or you can say handle. It is just a handle, there is nothing in it. This particular product, which you can see, which you have seen on the screen also, is a circuit board. If you put electricity or if you put two circuits here and throw a DC current into it, and you see that there is a sine waves. This is an electronic circuit with a particular information. Cursor, you are trying to change the amplitude. You are trying to change the octave position of a wave. Now this works on the principle of quantum physics. You know what is the philosophy of quantum physics? Quantum physics is the strength of the observer. As soon as you start looking at a particular particle, it moves into the waveform, and as soon as you start looking into the waveform, it collapses into the particle. So your eyes as an observer transform the quantum world. S3 gold antenna is also working on the same principle of quantum physics, and that is where we are trying to work on. S3 gold antenna has is different, is new, is something extraordinary because of these quality switches: inductive, capacitive, and semiconductive, or which we call spiritual also sometimes. This is you can see it on the screen. This ISC is something which is made S3 gold antenna very different than what you could have done with a pendulum or a dowsing rod or ECMOS or any other antenna. Now, inductive is magnetic part of the wave, which shows the material level. The capacitive is electrical part of the wave, which shows the mental level. And then what is semiconductive? Spatial conclusion of magnetic and electrical part, it shows the spiritual level, which is not magnetic and which is not electrical in the environment, and still we can detect is what? Spiritual. What is spiritual? Spiritual is spirit. Spirit is unseen, intangible. In India, we call it Atma. But that Atma is not a physical Atma, what you understand with your religious metaphor. This is something which is unseen, which is Pran, which is life energy. The spiritual is life energy. So S3 gold antenna has a capacity to measure magnetic. Magnetic is what? Every object, like say if you see a calculator like this in front of me, this calculator has a magnetic field around it. It's an object. Okay, if I put this cutter, it has a magnetic field. If I take this pen, this orange pen has a magnetic field around it. So every object around us has magnetic field, and that part of the wave that produce sine wave or wave function, which is part of the quantum physics, is inductive. Now, human body is also magnetic. You know why human body is magnetic? Because we, as a physical aspect, is an object. That's why we call in India Vastu and Vastu. So we are Vastu. So I am sitting on this chair. This chair is Vastu and I am the Vastu. And when I am Vastu on top of the chair, I become a part of the Vastu, an environment. Similarly, we are also objects. So when you have to measure the human body as a physical entity, you have to measure a pen or any object, you use inductive switch. So you change this to inductive, and now this antenna, S3 gold antenna, is only measuring objects which are physical in nature. It can be a gemstone, it can be a feng shui instrument, it can be a physical house, it can be a window, door, anything. Not energies, but physical aspects. Inductive. Okay, it's a very simple thing. So this is what we couldn't do it in other antennas and other systems. So that's why I transformed myself. I chose to upgrade, and that's why I call it this upgraded dowsing instrument. It is an advanced Laker antenna because it has a switch to control the information which we can receive and which we can decode. Okay, so inductive is that. Then second is capacitive. What is capacitive? Capacitive is electric part of the wave. It shows mental level. Why? Because electricity is moving in our neuron. Electricity is something DC and AC. Electricity is something which has a component of magnetic. We are not going to physics, but it is capacitive because it is something which is spark, which gives prana. So if you understand, it has tejas. Tejas means it has life energy in it. So electrical component of the wave, which is also your thought, which is also your vastu because it is a vacuum. It's not physical, which is also your bioenergies. So sometimes when I am doing the bioenergetic study of the body, that means I want to know the behavioral pattern of the chakras. I can use the physical body, but measure with capacitive switch. Why? Because I want to measure the chakras inside the body and its electrical component. There I will not measure inductive. But when I am measuring the physical body, how, let's say an example, a person comes to you, you are a Vastu consultant, and he says, I want to understand that if this house is good for me or not. So what do you do? Physically, is this house good for me or not? So you put an inductive switch, connect to it and see if it is moving in a left polarity or right polarity. I'll come to that part later. And if it is coming in the right polarity, then the physical body of you in that particular house is good. It is inductive. But if that particular person has a mental issue or non-connectivity with the house, he is sick, he is not well, he needs healing, then I can check this particular body's chakra element with capacitive switch also. I am measuring his energetic body inside the physical body now. So what I have done, I have bypassed the physical aspects and gone into the internal body and measured his capacitive part of chakra, which is not so easy. You can learn this in advanced Laker antenna processes. So in the physical aspect of the body which we measure, जो हम शरीर की ऊर्जा measure करते हैं, that's the time we measure inductive. That is a normal way, but if you want to go to advanced, you can also use capacitive. Otherwise, capacitive is for thoughts. Capacitive is for mental level, thinking, distant. Somebody is there and I am thinking about that particular person and doing the measurement. I am doing the measurement on the photograph. I am doing the measurement on the drawing, which is called paper dowsing. There you use capacitive. Now you transform this antenna. So as soon as you put this on C, the whole antenna, the total part of antenna becomes capacitive antenna. Now there is no inductive. This antenna cannot measure material. It can only measure the electrical part or mental level of the object. Okay. And the third is semiconductive, spatial conclusion of magnetic and electrical. It shows spiritual level, which is sometimes beyond our capacity to decode. So we call it God. We call it something which is extraordinary. Use the creator or creation. We use a spiritual switch for that particular aspect. Okay, so this is the basis of what I wanted to tell you when I started thinking about it, that people are not using S3 Gold Laker antenna, and the way they need to use it is totally different than what is the idea, you know. Okay, so I've given you the basis intent, basic understanding of how we use this particular quality switch. You know, there is a difference between quality and quantity. Normally with this particular antenna, we used to measure the quantity and a single quality. With this particular antenna, S3 antenna, we measure 3 qualities and also the quantity. So quantity is the immersion, how much. So how and why are two specific questions. You know, in metaphysics, we always ask why. In normal physics, we always say how. How things happen, physics has an answer. How this antenna works? This antenna works on electromagnetic radiation. That is how it works. But why this antenna works? God knows. You don't know beyond physics. How it moves? I don't know. It moves. So this why is the biggest challenge with us. And we have to answer the why. You say this house is not good for you. Somebody says there is a northeast toilet, it's not good for you. Why? Because it is written in the book. Or some XYZ has told me. Why? So don't have an answer. When we don't have a why answer and we try to go into the research of understanding why, that is the time your aptitude or your energetic body comes into picture. So how is a very easy subject, because everybody from you go to Google and get an answer of how. Any problem, anything, any science, encyclopedia to Wikipedia to XYZ will tell you how. But if you ask a question why, then you go to the Pandit or astrologer or a spiritual person, or sometimes to Vastu consultant who also don't know. So to answer why S3 gold antenna is the solution, why this room is not good, why this land is not proper for me to build a house, why this medicine which I am eating is not good, and you're not asking the question. That's why it is called physical anesthesia. It is telling you, the information is reaching you intangibly, and then you are decoding it and telling it to your client. So when I measure my client's energy with S3 gold antenna, I use it, I put the left and right switches. So let me show you the switch part also. What are the switching switches, the different polarization effect, because there are some new people who have not understood the switch part. So just give me 1 minute and I'll, because I don't want to say the same things to the new people. But there's another thing which is called switch part of S3 gold antenna, which is not there in the other antennas and other way of working. Now you can see the switch part which is below, which is U, L and R. It is polarization. S3 antenna has a polarization switch. With this filter, the polarization can be determined independently of direction of incidence. There are various options. U means unifiltered. Unfiltered, unipolar, it is average, it is in the center. No left, no right. Okay. Now, left and right is again a subjective polarization. Normally, in our way of working, we say left polarity is negative, which is not connected to our body, which makes us feel uncomfortable. So anything where I am switching this from you, when I am doing the measurement with you, then I am not asking is it good or bad. I am asking, is it there? Is the life there? Is the energy there? क्या ये है, and does it exist? Is you. So as soon as you get a dip on you, that means to whom with your communication is existing, there is life, and you can measure it. So there is communication happening. Now this communication is good or bad is subjective to your polarization. So when I put it on L, after I get the dip on U and I get a dip on L, that means it is left polarity. Now left-handed circular polarization is anti-clockwise. And when we talk about anti-clockwise polarity, it is making our body behave in irregular way, and that is negative. Negative means that is not good. Okay, so any dip you get with the L polarity at any frequency, it is not communicating with you in a proper way. There is a communication but not good. Okay, and when you put it on the right and get a dip, that means it is positive, it is helping, it is enhancement, it is amplification. So all our remedies, from what Roshali madam just told you, bioinfinity, then the loop, all these new products which we have in our kitty and which is related to health, they are all giving you amplification, from metal gyrator to EGN to DNA spiral to yin yang switches, everything, sorry, yin yang harmonizer, they are all polarizing into right communication. That means it is enhancing, it is raising your level up, it is trying to help you because you are going down. And in L, When I get the reading, that means it is showing you that you are down and now you need to have an harmonizer so that it becomes R. Okay. So that's the basis of U, L and R, which is not, again, I'm not differentiating, I'm just trying to tell you that there are no switches. So it is difficult for us to understand in S3 gold antenna. You can find out actually through physical resisthesia the polarity and decode the polarity into left and right. So simple. Okay, so this is what the basis of switches which I wanted to tell you as a start and wanted to guide you that S3 gold antenna is such a wonderful tool. It's a product, it's a device which connects you, which makes you get out of your own regular uh, energetic cycle, it enhances your domain, it makes you feel good, and then you become an extraordinary person. Your extra sensitivity, your mind start working on extra level. It is like, you know, when you're driving a car and you are above 100, you need to change the switch to fifth gear. So as soon as you hold Laker antenna, you are now gone into the fifth gear. You are gone into the nirvana stage. You are gone into that wow factor. And when you reach that wow level, you become extraordinary to and energize and understand the vibrations which normal people cannot. So why you're not using it? Why you want to be normal? So it is so simple. And then try to understand one day, second day, third day, people like I'm sure Trisha and Minakshi, they found it difficult to handle it, but they have, you know, they had the zeal, they had the fire to do it. And I'm sure now Trisha is so nicely using S3 gold antenna. Minakshi is finding, you know, she's finding geopathic stress. Wow, in Chandigarh. So I was amazed, and then I checked her work, and I also found the same thing. So it is so good that all of us learning together and finding geopathic stresses and then correcting ourselves and then trying to reach that level of understanding. So today's talk was specifically for you and try to, you know, I want to inspire you. I want to activate that sleeping you inside you to wake up. It's a wake up call that start using S3 gold antenna. And if you're not having the product, do something to get it because it's not easy. It's not easy to go to that level of, you know, understanding energies. And if you are capable, then what is the wait for? I still see people using, they have both these antennas like me, you know. A lot of my old students like Albert or maybe Umang or other people who have already taken ECMOS, they don't want to leave this, they are still stuck. I also have it. It's not that it is wrong to have this antenna, but then transform yourself, go to the advanced level. Why you are still driving a Fiat and Ambassador when you have Mercedes and BMW? You need to upgrade yourself to do that, and that is the most important aspect which I want you to understand. Now, S3 Gold Laker antenna has a varied application. The applications are not only the physical body. Application is vastu, application is geopathy, application is environmental application, application is plants, application is entity. There are few people who are always where is Adil? Adil, Quintin. These people always use the S3 gold antenna in the application where they always found ghosts. They always found entities. So they are, you know, they use only for unwanted things, you know, which you and me will not find. But Adil will go and he'll find, oh, he will only attract those. So that is an application. You can find entities, you can find death elements, you can find people buried, you can find a nala, or you can find something wrong happened, or something extraordinary good also. There are people, there is a person in, I forgot his name, he was in Orissa. He used to use antenna to find gold. He used to only dig gold. used to go to temples and found treasures. And he used to call me कि sir आप यहाँ पे आएंगे, यहाँ पे बहुत 10 किलो सोना I can detect. Orissa में some jungle, there is no flight, there is no train. So I used to say, no, you do it, I'll teach you online. So people find metals and minerals with S3 gold laker antenna. And then there are some people who are specifically, if you can, I think Shwetang has witnessed, we have detected with S3 gold antenna some unwanted things happening, you know, the bees, geopathic stress with bees. So there were places where there are bee hives, you know, big bee hives, and you can check the frequency of these bee hives. You can modulate their coming to that particular window of an industry or a house and blocking the whole sunlight coming in because they are huge bee hives of couple of meters. But then you cannot throw them away because we all work in coexistence. So then we have tried several times with Shwetang and different people where there were snakes and beehives and negative elements. S3 gold antenna has the capacity to identify underground things as well. And these pests and these animals or these entities which are not good can be detected. So this is a wonderful application of S3. So apart from basic Vastu north, south, east, west, this is good or this is bad. Northeast toilet, southwest well, Brahmastan kitchen, what to do? South facing, southwest door, southwest main entry. This is the basic thing which S3 will definitely help you in. But then why you are using a Mercedes when you can use a Belgadi there? Are you getting me? This is something extraordinary. Use it for special work. Definitely you can go to a village in a Mercedes as well. But go to the super highway, go to the express highway, use something which others cannot. So when you have an S3 gold antenna, you are a specialized person. You are a extraordinary healer, extraordinary person with the frequency. And then there are some people who don't want to go into other frequency protocols. They always want to go into the basic of frequencies, 6.4. They say we don't want to know anything else. I don't want to go into the what are the basis of frequencies and which frequency X, Y, Z like. So they always go to Oracle. Simple. Go to Oracle and get all your answers. And use God like He is your servant. Should be oh God. So I went to an industry. There was a T junction, and they have put amazing Ganpati in front of the main gate. So now Ganpati is taking care of T junction correction. And I said, wow, you have made a Ganpati or a doorman or a watch guard. Come on, he's a god. Let him be at his temple. So you can't do things with which is so be general. If you want to be general, 6.4 is wonderful. Use S3 gold antenna, align yourself 6.4 inductive capacity when you can find all the answers. For all 26,000 frequencies, you just need to have one learning of 6.4. But then you are not specialized. Okay, so what are these frequencies? What exactly is the understanding of these frequencies? So we go into the frequency chart and we try to find out that these are the basic frequencies. And if you see in this particular slide, the frequencies are 1.5, 4.3, 3.6, 3.75, 2.9. You just need to change this into the cursor and then hold it. And if there is a amplifier also, the amplification of the number happen with this plastic. You can see it here. And this plastic will help you. You just go to 6.4. So this 6.4, you can see it on the cursor here, is going to help you. But 1.5, 4.3, 3.6, magnetic, electrical, centrifugal, global, telluric, all these are also very important. We have already discussed. I am not going to take the class of frequencies there, but these are basic 5 frequencies which everybody has to understand. And if with 6.4 you concentrate only on these 5 frequencies, 5 plus 1, 5 indriya and 1 is your man, your mind. 6.4 is mind and 5 are these frequencies. So 5 senses and the mind, you have found the God, because mind is going to help you identify what the indriya, what the senses is what. Mind is the master, senses are the servants. Senses are going to bring the information, mind is going to decode and give the answer. 6.4 is your mind, and all these 5 frequencies are your information collector. Learn this. That's it. From geopathy to global to electrical to magnetic to entity to Vastu, northeast, southwest, everything comes in this. So simple. But people are finding it difficult to do this as well. So now what to do? That's why I am trying to make you understand these are basic frequencies. Learn this by heart. 5 of them and 6.4 is the 6. That's it, and you get all these answers. Maximum of your problem, from being a Vastu architect to a Vastu consultant to healer to bioenergetician to astrologer to anybody. These 6 frequencies are going to give all your answers. Okay, so simple. This is what I wanted everybody to gather themselves, work on it, and then start using it. It's not difficult. It's not difficult at all. Okay, so this is what I wanted to talk. This is just a inspiration and wake up call. This is what I wanted to tell you. And along with this, we have accessories as well. Now I want to just show it to you that these are accessories. They are now these are, say, first S3 antenna, using S3 antenna. So if I am myself, when I use S3 antenna, I become Mayank into 10. That means my capacity, dowsing capacity, which was me as Mayank, has now become 10 Mayank into 10 when I use S3 gold antenna. That means my capacity to understand vibration is amplified 10 times with S3 gold antenna. Now, with this amplification, I want to become specialized. So I use a particular switch, which we call acoustic switch. Now, as soon as I put this acoustic switch in the antenna, now myself was Mayank into 10, and that Mayank into 10 is now only acoustic. That means this Mayank, this person who is holding the antenna, is now only detecting the sound vibrations which are based on information which is hidden. Now this is communication, because sound is the communication. So measuring plants, when you want to measure the vibration of the plant, when you want to become an agriculturist, when you want to go to let's say Meenakshi wants to go to Punjab, and somebody is growing wheat and he wants to grow more wheat, so she can go and check that what is missing. So that farm next door Punjabi Sardar is earning too much money and I am earning less money. What is the problem? So go and check the soil, go and check the crop, go and check the vibration of your crop. Is your crop not healthy? Is the plant crying during the feeding? Is there a problem? With acoustic switch, with certain frequencies, you can measure this. And when you are doing this, you put this pointer on top of it, and then directly point this to the plant, and with acoustic switch in put below and a certain frequencies, you can then see left and right polarity, and then the intensity of dip will guide you that how much is required. So sometimes extra water is a problem, sometimes extra sunlight is a problem, sometimes extra manure is a problem, sometimes the wrong manure is problem, or some pesticide is a problem. S3 gold antenna helps. There are a lot of agriculturists or farmists in Maharashtra also are using S3 gold antenna to get more yield of the crops, to earn money. You can help farmers. Concentrate yourself into one function. Only acoustic, help farmers. There are people who are using S3 gold antenna who are animal savers, or people who are into veterinary and vet doctors or animal healers. They used to communicate with the animals and try to understand their pain with acoustic switch. There are some people like Adil and others who want to detect the death element. Acoustic switch helps you. Anything. If somebody, I have tried and used acoustic switch also for specifically for the cancer patients. Acoustic switch helps because cancer is a cell, which is a growing cell. It's like an entity. It is an animal. It is a growing animal inside your body, which is killing you. So try to identify. So certain frequencies of cancer and acoustic switch can guide and communicate with the cancer. So it can help doctors that what that cancer wants and why it is happening, why that extra cell is growing. You can also work as a alternative healer or a bioenergetician and sometimes like a doctor using acoustic switch. So this is an amazing accessory. You should all use it because it's a part of your kit. Most of you have this switches and categories and understanding. Acoustic switch. I use acoustic switch when I'm also detecting the Bhaktambar cards. When I am trying to get the Bhaktambar infinity energy cards, I put acoustic sometimes. These days, most of the time, because I am trying to get the information on my office, in my office from the hair. So they send the hair sample, and I connect with that person through acoustic switch. Okay, so this is good for healers, distant healing, paper dowsing. When you're doing paper dowsing, use acoustic switch. Simple. So use acoustic switch, and if you have a drawing in front of you, hold the antenna like this, and you get the tip. So you don't have to put a pointer here. You have to put a pointer here, and drawing in front of me like this hand, and hold it, and do paper dowsing with acoustic switch. Then you find certain extraordinary information from the drawing, which is based on sound vibration, which is based on intuitive and intangible vibrations. So this is one of my favorite switches, acoustic switch. I use it most of the time when I'm using S3 Gold antenna. Okay, then you have yin and yang switches. Yin and yang switches have a specific function when you want to understand the male and female communication polarity. Male is normally giving out and female is absorption, taking in. So when you want to know the centripetal energy taking in vibrations, some people have a weak centripetal energy. They cannot absorb. Then you use yin switch and do the measurement. Some people are extraordinary eliminating. They are throwing things away. They are not storing anything. Then put yang switch and do the measurement. So you centrifugal is yang and centripetal is yin. Absorption and elimination. So again, a very simple tool to know what is your capacity. So when you are measuring magnetic, I have just shown you 5 basic frequencies. Out of that, if somebody has a block or a cross in or not moving absorptive frequency, that means his yang is blocked, right? Or his yin is blocked. His yin is blocked. So when the absorption is blocked, then yin is blocked, and then you put yin switch and find out the problem. Yin is also yang is also for the organs. There are certain organs which are yin organs, certain organs which are yang organs. You already have the list, and you can find these things out simply. Okay, so yin and yang switch is another part of accessories. Then you have IRS, infrared. This is also very strongly used these days when I do the home health audit. We have very strong or a couple of home health auditors here. We should congratulate Kapoor sir. We should congratulate Trisha, Amar. I think these 3 are the home health auditor certified. I don't remember other people. If I'm missing, you can raise your hand and say, sir, I am also home health auditor. Meenakshi, you wanted to be, but you missed the boat. You did the home health audit class, I think so. Anyway, so there are people, Alpesh maybe is a home health auditor as well. So when you do home health audit, you use infrared switch because inside the home, there are fungus, there are mold, there are electromagnetic radiation, there are 5G, 4G, Wi-Fi, mobile phone vibrations which are making you sick. So when you do home health audit, which is a very important subject these days, so you become a home health auditor and get a certificate. Then officially you can go. So last time I had a workshop on building biology when I was working for India International Science Festival. They were talking about it. A lot of people wanted to know what is home health audit and how do you do it. So I wanted you to become a home health auditor of your own city and then start. Helps you in that because a lot of people keep their mobile phone next to them. Tata Sky these days, those remote controls of Netflix or Amazon Fire Stick or something like that, they keep next to them and they sleep. These are all infrared radiation which are different in your chakras. So when you see the house and you use infrared IRS and start making, you find that IRS is very strong near electrical installation. Sometimes IRS are very strong where you have molds and dampness, because when it is damp, when the wall is damp, there is water seepages. That wall becomes electrically charged, and that electrically charged water is also a big trouble. Creates infrared vibrations. Okay, so home health auditors use it, but as a still gold antenna user, you always have a chance. So infrared switch is for that particular thing. So we have these three switches: infrared, yin yang, and acoustic. This is one of the accessories. And there are different accessories. This quartz bottle for measurement of water or measurement of soil when you don't go to the site and you can't. And then also you have another red wire which is connected here, and then you can ask a person to hold through the mass and then measure the human body. So then when you use this particular connector, this antenna becomes a human scanner or the geopathic scanner if you put it into the earth. Okay, so there are multiple utility and application of S3 Gold antenna. My interest is to inspire you, give you a basic understanding and tell you that whoever has the S3 Gold antenna, start using it. Commit mistakes, you will fall but you will learn one day. So don't get afraid, and I am always there. You can call me, you can WhatsApp me, you can see our videos. And now we have launched vastuworldlearning.com, where we have launched 3 hours of amazing videos on S3 Gold Laker antenna, and that you can keep for yourself. What I'm talking right now is also recorded, will reach you, but each and every component I have explained it with figures, with graphics, with practical utility in these 3 hours of S3 Gold Laker antenna learning videos, which is online learning. So everybody who's new, who purchase this antenna, who buy this antenna, should go to that course, keep that as a reference forever, because it will be downloaded on your YouTube, or you can have an access for that videos anytime in the whole life. So you don't need to read, or you don't need to connect. Wherever you're stuck, play that video for half an hour and you are again on. And then you have manuals. Then you have so much of support system. We have a protocol sheets. We have some sheets which helps you in understanding the processes of S3 Gold Laker antenna. I can show you, but there are so many things which I have it in my kitty to show you on S3 Gold antenna. So it will take 1 or 2 days to complete the whole lecture. But we have protocol sheets. We have system. We have made basic simplicity for you, so that end of the day, when you are visiting this particular or when you are revisiting the learning of S3 Gold antenna, you are still connected. You don't, because a lot of time we do a lot of other things. It's not our business to become a S3 Gold antenna. We most of the time, a lot of you are using it as a personal utility, but sometimes people are using it as a hobby. Sometimes you are using it as a profession. Then when people like me are having a profession, then I remember these things because I use them every day. But sometimes you are using it just for hobby or detection. Sometime in couple of weeks you forget. Then go to these protocol sheets. Try to understand. So these are chakra protocols, and these protocol sheets are so simple to read. All the frequencies are there: consciousness, subconsciousness, chakra points. So many 25,000 frequencies are there, and these frequencies are not only always there, they are alphabetically put like this also: A, B, C, D. So I want to find out acupressure, I go to this acupressure. Then sometimes somebody say I want to find out something about let's go to B. A is not too good, everybody is talking A. So let's go to B and find out what is the frequency of a bladder. There are male above 45 who have a prostate issue, they can find out. Blood clotting. Bones, somebody has a bone marrow issue, what is the frequency? What is the frequency of bone marrow? 0.8. What is the frequency of bladder? 9.4. Blood clotting is 13.85. So you have everything here. Brain, you can find out brain disease at 6.3. People who have psychic issues, brain syndrome, diffuse brains. Then breath, people who are doing pranayam. So you have all these frequencies, alphabetical orders also. And sometimes no, you say no, I don't want alphabetical. I want 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, I don't like one ABCD. I like 1, 2, 3. So you have alphabetical order list also with you, numeric list, 1, 2, 3, 4 list. So what do you 1.05 means cancer? What is one chakra? What the frequency? So I set it 1 and I find out this. Okay, sometimes I say do 6.4. So you say what is 6.4? Then you don't go to the alphabetical, you go to 6.4 numeric wise and then go to this particular frequency and you see 6.4 here somewhere and then 6.4 is missing from here. 6.4 is gone. The God has taken it. So 6.4 is your oracle. It is also mental power, mind. It is also sage. So then it is capacitive and inductive. You can see K and R. Then when you are right and unipolar, you have to use this. So it is guiding you. K means C because it's German, so the PDF is so replace K with C, and it is telling you that it should always be right polarity. So if 6.4 is a right polarity, then it is mental. If it is left, then it is not. And if it is you, it is scars. Okay, so we are talking of inductive and unipolar, inductive and right, capacitive and right. And sometimes it also shows you acoustic switch, where to use acoustic switch. So life is so simple. You just have to open up your senses, read it, see what is given to you. So you have switches to be used. You have been guided with all these sheets. As soon as you buy the antenna, you will get all these information with, and you can without antenna also, if you want, you can ask me anytime. So these are all available online, and I can give you, I can send you PDFs. I can put you on the Vastu World WhatsApp group, and you have all this information with you. So what is the problem? Protocols are there, information is there, S3 Gold antenna is there. The only missing person is you. So let's talk why you are missing. Okay, so I don't want to give any gyan more because it's almost 8, dinner time for most of you, and it's also very cold in Chandigarh and Delhi. People want to sleep and go into their rajai. So let's communicate, let's talk. तो बात करते हैं, कुछ बताइए कि where is the thing stuck? Shweta, why you are using S3 Gold Laker antenna? Shweta doesn't want to answer.
Hello, can I communicate with you? My name is Marathe.
Yes, Mr. Marathe, you are welcome.
Yeah, thank you. What is the price and how I can get it?
Vrushali madam, where are you? See, this is the Vrushali madam's department. You can get it tomorrow. Call Pune 98222573.
Sir, I have your number. I have Anand sir's number. I will message him and I will speak to him and inform him on that.
But you can tell the price to public also. There is nothing wrong, Vrushali.
Yeah, and any course is also available because only getting the instrument is not okay. You have to have proper understanding and training of the instrument.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have a lot of courses. What even Mayank sir just now mentioned, we have more than 3 hours of video on H3 Gold also, and then we have other courses also. I'll share the details with you.
Yes, learning is always very important. So you cannot use the antenna without learning, but whoever is trying to buy the antenna should self-learn by holding
So
it.
is available along with that?
Yes, manuals are available. A lot of things are available. So, Mr. Marathe, are you from Pune? Can't hear me?
So he's
Network issue? Okay, no issues. So, Vrushali, you can connect with Mr. Marathe and help
I'll
him.
do that. Yes, I'll do that.
Great. So, Kapoor sir, how are you feeling now?
Mayank sir,
Yes.
sir, is there any time duration? Is there how long it will come actually? Because it's any wear and tear part is there the H3 antenna. I'm Shankar from Bangalore.
No, I didn't get your question. Wear and tear means?
No, actually, yeah, no. In the H3 antenna, any wear and tear part is there? Worn out kind of thing, switches and other thing actually.
No, I am using this since last more than 10 years. Nothing
Oh,
happens to
sure.
you if you keep it properly.
Any cleansing part is required for this?
No. You connect yourself. You need to be cleansed yourself.
Okay.
Don't drink and use S3 Gold antenna. Okay.
Fine, sir.
You need to be aligned. You need to be pure and good. And you cleanse yourself. You do meditation. You do chakra. Do pranayam. Energize yourself when I use the antenna. That's it. Antenna is a extension of you. Okay.
Fine. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I am using now antenna for fixing energies of planets and 45 Devata.
Oh, wonderful.
I got certain success. I got some success.
Very good, sir. So, but right now you should rest. Trisha is going to be using this for you.
Sir, learning is part of rest only.
Okay, good. Kapoor Sahib is always young and always enthusiastic. So, Trisha, you have very little chance.
Even in the hospital,
Sir,
he
your
was doing some learning.
last video of India International was best. Please circulate. It is wonderful. I tell you, this is one of the finest.
You go to the YouTube
Please
of
circulate.
Vibha. I'll
Okay.
send you the link. I'll send you the link on the group. No issues.
Okay, that is wonderful. Everyone should read it. There you have given the crux of Vastu and Lecker antenna and building biology.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We have among the audience, there are a lot of people who have recently purchased H3 antenna from us. So just wanted to know that whether you have started using it or practicing on it. So I'll just take the name. So so we have Anju ma'am. So she has recently bought from us. Even Hemant sir, and then we have Rajlakshmi ma'am also, who's got the antenna recently. So just wanted to know whether you have started at least with the basics.
Yes, specifically for Hemant and Rajlakshmi are from the Bhaktambar group, Jainism group, and they wanted to promote. Hemantji is also a very big developer and builder in Bombay, but he is from the Bhaktambar community, Jain community, and Rajlakshmi is from Nepal, and she's trying to be propagating and using S3 Gold antenna in that particular format. So I welcome you all because this is first interaction with the Vastu and Vastu World community. So I'm sure.
So I've actually not yet started using it because I just could finish the listening of part of the video that you had sent, and I think today after your initiation, I'll start using from today morning, night or tomorrow morning.
Wonderful.
I've not been able to do it. Yeah.
Great. It's a good thought. Start using it, and you see the things will transform automatically. Things will change automatically. As soon as you hold antenna for 10 minutes every day, you will see things are growing in different way. You will get a lot of answers. You will get a lot of your problems solved, and I'm sure you will be more happy.
Okay. Sure.
So Samir, do you have or are you looking to connect with the antenna? Umang, I wanted to talk to you on that. Do you want to share? How's your communication with the antenna? You have antenna since long, I suppose. Umang Agrawal, is he there? Yes, sir. Umang, you can on your video. Yes, I can see you.
सर गुड इवनिंग।
Good evening.
जी सर यूज कर रहा हूँ जी, पर बहुत ज्यादा यूज नहीं कर रहा, पर यूज कर रहा हूँ डेफिनेटली।
करो बहुत ज्यादा यूज करो ना। एंटीना मना है थोड़ी ना कर रहा है आपको, करो
नहीं
बहुत ज्यादा।
मना नहीं, वो क्या होता है ना कि हम लोगों को नॉर्थ में क्या है ना, पैसे कमाने की ज्यादा लगी रहती है, तो वो लो हैंगिंग फ्रूट्स है हमारे, वो ज्यादा रहते हैं। हम इतनी समझदारी की बात करेंगे ना किसी से, तो वो बोलेगा भाई साहब बात तो नहीं कराना हमें आपसे, ये कौन आ गया हमारे यहाँ।
I know. I know. ठीक है, वो नॉर्थ इंडिया को पूरा चेंज करना पड़ेगा, बहुत डिफिकल्ट सिस्टम है ये, बट आप लोग कोशिश करें।
दिल्ली साइड तो अपने कर सकते हैं जी। दिल्ली साइड तो अपने जैसे अपने हेल्दी होम्स का ना वो कर सकते हैं, वो डेफिनेटली वो तो कर ही सकते हैं।
करिए, करना चाहिए आपको। अभी देखिए मीनाक्षी चंडीगढ़ में और उधर पंजाब में कर रही हैं, फिर और भी हमारे कुछ पंजाब के लोग हैं जो कर रहे हैं। एक हमारे बंदे हैं वो संदीप करके, वो उधर है बॉर्डर पे। सो सी इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर अप्रोच। हाँ डेफिनेटली लोगों में ब्लॉकेजेस हैं नॉर्थ इंडिया में ज्यादा टू एक्सेप्ट साइंस, बट हमें ट्राई करते रहना है।
देखिए मैं आपको एक बताता हूँ जी, यहाँ पर जैसे गोल्ड का लेकर खरीदा था जब हमने,
पाटनी को थोड़ा ऑफ करेंगे वृषाली?
हाँ जी।
उनका साउंड आ रहा है। हाँ उमंग आप क्या कह रहे थे? सॉरी मैं सुन नहीं पाया।
जैसे अभी आपने ये वीडियो बनाया है 3 आवर्स का, ये दैट इज एक्चुअली गुड थिंग। हम लोगों को पहले बात मतलब जब लेने के बाद में ये थोड़ा इशू रहता था, बट ये जो 3 आवर्स का जो वीडियो है ना, इट कैन रियली हेल्प टू एवरीवन एंड वी कैन रियली वर्क ऑन इट। क्योंकि बार बार आपको तंग करें या वृषाली मैम को तंग करें, इससे बेटर है कि हम अपना इसे ही देख लें।
राइट, दैट वाज द अप्रोच। ऑनलाइन में हमने इसलिए टोटल 48 कोर्सेज लॉन्च किए हैं, अलग अलग छोटे छोटे टॉपिक में 3-3 4-4 घंटे के, कुछ तो 2-2 घंटे के कोर्सेज हैं, which will help you upgrade yourself. And then we have 1-to-1 sessions as well, जैसे आज हम कर रहे हैं। उसमें हमने हर कोर्स में 1-to-1 सेशन रखा है। ऐसा नहीं कि आपको वीडियो भेजा और आप करते जाओ। कभी कभी कुछ लोग जैसे उमंग, तो आपका और मेरा तो कनेक्शन है, हम मिल चुके हैं। कुछ लोग जैसे राजलक्ष्मी जी हैं, हेमंत जी हैं, मैं मिला ही नहीं हूँ कभी, तो उन लोगों को 1-to-1 कनेक्शन में क्वेश्चन आंसर में इजी हो जाता है। So that's why our way of teaching online is also personalized. It's not कि वीडियो भेज दिया जैसे कोर्सेरा और उसमें होता है टीचर कौन क्या है वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। So this is where we wanted you to communicate and understand in a proper way. But good, उमंग आप चालू करो, थोड़ा सा और इनिशिएशन बढ़ाओ, और आपके एरिया में बहुत जरूरत है।
सर डेफिनेटली इसी बहाने पैसे भी कमा लेंगे जी।
यस डेफिनेटली, पैसे तो आते रहेंगे, आप लोग नॉर्थ इंडियन है, पैसे कहाँ जाएंगे। चलिए, आपकी तबीयत ठीक है अभी उमंग जी?
हाँ सर बहुत बढ़िया सर। मदर की थी ना सर, मदर के लिए मंगा रहा था वो।
अच्छा, वो कैसा है अभी?
अभी ठीक है सर, अभी बिल्कुल ठीक है।
भक्तांबर यूज किया उन्होंने?
भक्तांबर सर मैंने वो क्या नाम है अपना कार्ड निकाल के इंट्यूटिवली उनके पास रखवा दिया था।
वेरी गुड परफेक्ट
जी जी,
चलो अच्छा,
थैंक यू,
वंडरफुल
जी,
ग्रेट।
Even Nidhi ji has recently purchased, so even she is there, so we can ask her. Yeah, Nidhi Agarwal. मतलब शालू
प्रोजेक्ट्स आल्सो, वास्तु के प्रोजेक्ट भी कर रही हो। ग्रेट।
So निधि मैम, शालू है उनका नाम।
हाँ शालू। एनीवेज, देव आपकी क्या हाल है? आप भी पंजाब में हो, देव सैनी? देव इज ऑल्सो इन लुधियाना आई सपोज। देव के पास S3 है? आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट।
उनके पास शायद है,
बट ही इज एन इंजीनियर, ही इज अ वेरी डायनामिक पर्सन। आई थिंक लुधियाना में वो थोड़ा मिसफिट हो गए उधर। So Quintin, what is there in Sri Lanka? How is Sri Lanka doing? You can speak, Quintin. We can't hear you.
Sir, I think you will have to put on your audio.
You have to on the audio, Quintin. Audio is on from here, but I think his mic is not working properly. Okay. So Quintin is from Colombo, Sri Lanka, and he practices Vastu there, and he's a big scholar. He teaches there as well, and he is associated with us since last more than 15 years, I suppose. Chetan is also there. Chetan Saini is also from that part of Punjab. I'm not sure where he's living these days, but Chetan is also there. So Deepak, Bangalore. So I'm sure people are finding Frank is the newcomer from Netherlands, yeah. So Frank has just joined our online course. So Frank, do you want to introduce yourself to us?
Yeah, sure. I'm from the Netherlands. I've got a very busy practice with people with mental problems and things like that. I use the old Legger antenna to measure people quickly on medications or stuff they use. And sometimes people don't heal so fast. So then I say, I think I need to take a look at your home because something's wrong. You should have been well already months ago, so to speak. So I come to their house and I take my Legger antenna and I start to measure the geopathic stress. And usually I find some vortex or crossroad of two energy lines, which is very stressful. And then I find this spot and I'm walking around in the living room and I say, are you sleeping up here? And usually they say, yeah. Why do you ask? Well, it's impossible to get a good sleep here. It's not doable. You're kept out of your sleep. This is, you're on the wrong spot. So they move to another bedroom and then they can sleep and things like that. And last time I was with a client at home. I was sitting on the bench and within 2 minutes I felt like I'm gonna go to sleep here. What's this? I'm always in energy, so I don't get it. And I said, wait a second, I take my antenna, I go to measure here. And I was looking, and I said, why the hell can't I find it? So I thought, maybe it's water. So I was looking for a water line and, well, immediately below the bench, there was a water, how do you call it, water line. And this water line just takes all the energy out of you. You go to sleep like a baby within minutes. And she said, oh, that's why I'm waking up so difficult. I said, yeah, that's almost impossible if you're sleeping above this. So she moved a bit away from the bench and I slept in the bedroom, so to speak, from the corner where the window is. And she said, I'm sleeping so much better now. It's incredible. I said, yeah, right. Well, that's to be expected. But then you get people who say, well, we can correct this. We just put a big piece of copper there. And I said, no, that's not going to work. I don't think so. Just get out of there. I don't think you can correct this. But maybe you have other solutions for that.
Good. So you are practicing now as a consultant therein. We cannot see your picture. If you can on the video, Frank, we can see you.
Sure.
So I'm sure you want all of us to see you. Great. Yeah. So it's afternoon in Netherlands right now, yeah?
Yeah, it's what's it there? It's about what do you call it? 3:30.
3:30, yes. Wonderful. So yeah. Good to see you and welcome you to the Vastu World community. I'm sure everybody is happy to be helping you in later stage or whenever you require. And you have joined the basic course, and I'm sure you'll go to intermediate and advanced soon. And we will connect soon again. Wonderful. Good to see you, Frank.
Good.
Who else want to introduce or talk? Quintin, can you connect yourself? No, we can't hear you.
Sir, Quintin, sir, I think so. You can just log out and log in again. You should be able to get the audio.
Great. So I think we are. If some people have any specific questions about S3 or want to talk or communicate or discuss or share something, we are all open to, it's an open house. So let's talk and let's connect. I think Quintin has two specific joining.
Ma'am, I think so. Raj Lakshmi ma'am wants to say something.
Yes, Raj Lakshmi, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here. I'm
I can't
sorry I joined late.
No
I
problem.
just want to know how this could be, I mean, how to assemble the whole antenna. It's, like
Yeah.
I've seen people using it for Vastu, but I've never seen it being used otherwise.
For the body.
For Vastu.
Yeah. So see, you know this. You have this antenna like this with you.
Yeah, I do.
So you need to hold it like this. That's what we are trying to tell you.
Okay, nee, but how did that get fixed? Mine didn't get fixed.
I didn't get the question. What didn't get fixed? Can you show me? Can you show me the antenna?
Sir, आपको attach करके दिखाना पड़ेगा because when we send the piece, it's like separate.
Okay, like this. So you have sent it separate, Rushali?
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, sir.
ये इसको ऐसे डालना है, इसको थोड़ा सा सेट करना पड़ता है.
अच्छा.
So it is a, you need to see where it fits. So just put it into this small slit in the base, in the center, and then adjust it, and then when it comes into the center, press it.
Okay.
And you take this out. So you have to do it politely because it is plastic. Sometimes it. So put it in the right center. You will find that there is a space for it.
Okay.
You put it like this, and then as soon as you feel it is fit, then press it hard so it goes inside.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And it becomes a part of the antenna. And you need to make sure that there is a label here. Name written is in front where the switches is.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you have the video, start practicing it. And first and foremost, these 3 fingers. Hold it here. And
okay.
Here.
Okay.
Right holding. So holding between these fingers and this, and the thumb and these fingers, the tip of these fingers will not touch the rod. So tip of the finger doesn't touch the rod. It goes like this. So your hand goes like this.
Okay. Yeah.
So it goes into this like this with the with a lock from your small finger, the tiny finger. One is this way, another is this way. 2 fingers, these 2 fingers, and the thumb. You hold it, put these 2 fingers here and a thumb here, 2 finger and a thumb here.
Okay.
You see from both the sides.
Okay. Yeah.
And then when you move, when you are using the antenna, it moves like it gets out of your hand moves. So normally that antenna moves itself. Antenna doesn't move itself, your hand moves. And then your hand moves subconsciously, not consciously. Sometimes your hand moves unconsciously also. So you don't know when your hand moves, and when your hands are moving, antenna gives you a tip. So tip is always forward. I think I have shown this in the video. So if you hold it, first and foremost is just hold it in the center. This pointer goes on it like this. Just hold it in the center like this, and look into the center like an eyepiece, and just make your body comfortable. Let your shoulders be rested, and hold it, and then hold it. So you come into the meditative pose. You come into the prayer pose. And as soon as you hold into the prayer pose, you are now expanding your aura. Your dimensions have expanded, and now you can feel things. Now you are into a super conscious state. As soon as you hold it. And then there are different frequencies which we can talk later on, which are there already on the book and everything else. So you start using it right now, Rajlakshmi. And then sooner or later we will talk again, and I can explain you, go through the videos, and this is a good start for you. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Yes, Quintin, you want to speak? You on the video now? On audio? Your audio is off. Yes.
I think so. There seems to be some problem with Quinton sir's audio. Not able to hear.
I can hear him. He wants to speak, but nobody can hear. Okay.
Sir, some audio pin you have not entered. Sir, I have Quinton sir, I have sent you an audio pin. Just enter that.
Video it is not showing.
Raghu, we can hear you.
Yeah, but the camera is not on and only audio it is on.
Sir, you will have to put on your camera yourself.
Video there.
Camera I tried, but it's
Switch.
not on.
Below green switch, on it. Just press on the green switch where it is written camera. Go down.
Oh, camera only.
Is your camera attached to the computer or
Laptop?
So probably you have a camera on the device.
laptop?
Laptop.
Camera on the device. Instead of internet, camera on the device.
So you can go ahead with the question.
Your this one is only still is there. No action, nothing. Only audio is available.
You cannot see my hand moving.
Nothing.
You can
only
you see dancing.
Photo I'm seeing.
Everybody else can see me dancing. They are laughing. See, so you have a problem, Raghu.
I don't know. Netter.
On your audio or video.
So 5 minutes back it was okay. Now it is not showing.
So you reconnect yourself. We can wait for another couple of minutes.
Okay.
I think everybody should on their videos. So let's all of us see each other. If you are in a right state to show your face. Amar, are you in a right state or you are on a holiday?
Quinton sir, we still can't see you.
No, I can see. Oh, he's written something. Oh God.
Yeah, he's written something, but I can't see.
Shwetan, good to see you. You have reduced a lot. Yeah? You are doing a lot of exercise.
I've been doing cycling.
Oh, wonderful. Why don't you sometimes cycle from Vapi to Pune?
About to reach there.
Okay. How are your bosses? Your bosses are good?
They are fine, yes. They are family well.
So somebody is on the dancing mode. So it's the Christmas time, yeah?
I'll just call up Quinton sir and just check with him.
Yeah, there is some issue. He wants to talk. We can't see. We cannot see also what he wants to. So why don't you write it on the chat? Or you can call Rushali, just help him.
I'm calling him. Yes, sir.
He's an old man and he wants to see things. So great. So it's a good meeting you all. I am happy to see you all again. So let's keep the tempo on, and I am sure S3 Gold Antenna is going to be helping you. Shwetan is to start using it. So if you find any difficulty, we can connect.
I will.
Hello.
So
yes,
if
sir. You wanted to say something.
Yes, Shwetan, do you have a question? Do you want to say something?
I've written in the chat window also.
Okay.
If it is possible.
Wait, let me.
Sir, I'll just put Quinton sir on speaker.
Yes, so Shwetan, we have bought the antenna 5 years back. A few information and knowledge material might have been updated or refined further. Yes, there are a lot of new things in there.
The 2 minutes.
What we'll do is we'll send you. You send me your email ID. I think if your email ID is same, then I'll
Yes, it
send you
is.
across the things.
Okay.
And it's good to see you connected. So people should connect, and people should talk more about things.
Yeah.
Chetan is saying there are plants sometimes unwanted can which tell if the
Mayank sir?
plant is affecting the occupants.
Mayank sir, Quinton sir is on speaker. So he's just saying. So can we hear him, sir? Quinton sir, you can say.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Quinton, we can hear you.
Hello.
Yes, speak.
Hello.
Sir, we can hear you.
Hello. Yeah, but he's not answering.
Yeah, we can hear you, sir.
You know, is there any frequency in the history gold antenna to restructure? Is there any frequency?
To restructure what?
DNA.
Restructure DNA. See, it is a God's job, and if only God can do this. But yes, there is some frequencies in DNA to understand the DNA behavior. So there are frequencies which are not directly working on DNA, but it talks about genetics or genetic information, which is there in the G column of the frequency chart, and it talks about genes, not DNA directly. Okay.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Yeah. Now the thing is, one of my good friends has called me and wanted go for another antenna, right? That has a little more centimeters, about 18 and a half. There you can find, he says that you get all this, can restructure the DNA and the proportion, and then you can do a lot of healing, muscle corrections, this and that and all that. So I just want to know why I can't you also suggest if there's anything like that in the history gold antenna. Any
No, there is
frequency?
nothing like this. There is nothing like this, and Germans have not found it. But yeah, your good friend sitting in Ahmedabad is a bigger scientist. So this scientist must have found it, but I don't trust this scientist at all. So I trust my German scientist. So I'm not sure what he's talking is right, or I've already told you, Quintin, cut off the unwanted informations. S3 gold antenna has 26,000 frequencies, and you don't need to restructure your DNA. First of all, why do you want to restructure your DNA? Your DNA is something which is God gift, and if you can restructure DNA, you can become God. So S3 gold antenna is not God; it is extension of you. If you are strong enough, S3 gold antenna is extension of you as stronger. Okay, so I think this is something which is absurd, and but I'll still talk to my teachers in Germany and ask if there is something, and if there is something, I'll definitely tell you, Quintin, of restructuring DNA with a particular frequency of electromagnetic radiation. Okay. I can't hear him. So let's talk on something sometime later, Quintin, on this, because
Yes,
we
sir.
can't hear.
So that's what he's saying, that he will connect with you later on
Sure.
this. Yeah.
Sure, sure. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Great.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
sir.
Okay, so any other question? Anybody else want to speak or say something? So let's, otherwise we conclude this session. And
Raghu,
I'm sure I've given some inspirations to you all to use antenna more. Chetan, Dev, Amar, you all have antennas. Try to use it. Deepak, try to get the
Raghu,
antenna. Sorry.
Raghu.
Yes, Raghu, tell me.
I'm using from the beginning when you launched it in
Yes,
Pune.
I know. I know, Raghu.
Very, really, very good instrument. I'm not using any other instrument.
Yes.
But you have to practice. You have to
Yes.
practice. Otherwise, nothing. You have to
You're right.
practice. Some meditation has to do. But very good information will get. Unknowingly, something will come.
Yes.
Yes.
So I think,
Thank
Raghu,
you.
you are using the last 12 years, more than 10 years, yeah?
Yeah. When it's launched in the beginning only, I purchased.
Yeah, I remember. So Raghu is from Bangalore and he practices Vastu and healing and other stuff. Wonderful.
Sir,
Sorry.
it's Deepak here.
Yes, Deepak.
Yeah, so how can I get this in London, in the UK? The antenna?
Right now, I can't send it in the flight because flights are off to India. But definitely, courier is still going on. So we have sent antenna to all over the world, from Sri Lanka to China to different part of Singapore to different part of USA as well. So it's not difficult. We can DHL you, we can FedEx you. It is normal courier process.
So how can I get in touch with you? Is it on your website? There is a number. Is that fine?
You can write it down. Or Rushali, do you have Deepak's number?
No, sir, I don't have his number. So if you
Do you
can,
want to write? I'll put it on the. Rushali, do you want to put our numbers there on the chat? 9822573102 +91 you can add, and you can call anytime or WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. Yeah, I do have that number on the website. So
Yes, definitely, and you can connect, and then we can help you.
you can connect with me. I'll give you share the details with you.
Or if you want to write down your number on the chat, then we can.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So if you can send me your contact details, I can send you a WhatsApp or I can even email you the details.
Yeah. Okay, we'll do that. Yeah.
Great. So Arvind, how is Hyderabad there? You are using. I think Arvind is one of our old associate, and he is associated with institutes and schools in Hyderabad. Arvind Kapatkar. Good to see you. Rushali, do you want to type? Or I'll do this. Wait. Okay, so let's conclude this session. Let's try to take a oath and take a strong decision that we will all use S3 Gold antenna if we have a capacity to get it, and or people who already have it should use it. People like Amar as an architect, Shwetang is an architect, Alpesh is a developer and a builder, Vinod is practicing, Manisha is a housewife in Thane. So we have good connection. Rajalakshmi is again a healer and a very learned soul in Nepal. Quintin is a researcher and a scientist in Sri Lanka. So we have good connectivity of all of us, including Murlidhan Rao and including Frank from. So let's connect. Let's try to use this instrument, which is a divine support given to us to help people. So first, start helping yourself, start helping others, and I'm sure people like Surendra Kapoor at this age has such a strong enthusiastic approach towards this. So why not we also wake up and start using this and take a call and work on it. And if there is any support required, we all of us are together to help each other. So I'm sure this particular divine gift and this information, which we can use it to heal and help others, can be a wonderful tool for all of us. Okay, so good night and enjoy yourself and have a good week ahead. It's a holiday time. Enjoy yourself. Have a good Christmas. Sitting mostly in home. If you are in Maharashtra, you're not allowed to travel from 11 to 6, but till 11 you can have your own time. So enjoy yourself. Bye bye.
Yeah.
See you.
Bye. So wishing everybody a very and a happy
Christmas,
new
Happy New Year.
Thank you.
And
Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy 2021 minus
Yes.
Corona.
Minus
Thank you,
Corona.
sir.
Yes, welcome
Thank
21.
you. Good luck.
Bye bye. See you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Wish you all.
Thank you so much, Mayank sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Shari.
Sir,
Thank you.
deep regards.
Bye.
Bye.
Deep
Yes, Quentin.